Friends, Miss Hendry here. All right, we're going to do our day 3 lesson for the creation story. Remember, we're in Genesis chapter 1, verses 1 through 13. So let's look at our memory verse. Genesis 1:1. In the beginning, God created the heavens and the earth. Don't forget to go over this verse with your mom or your dad, okay? So on day 1, we had talked about how the earth was dark and that God looked down and said that he wanted to make a creation. He wanted to create something. And so on day 1, God said, "Let there be light." And he created the light, and he called it day, and he called the darkness night. On day 2, we talked about how God created the water and the sky. He separated the water from the sky. And then today we're going to talk about day 3. So on day 3, God spoke and said, "Let dry land appear." The dry land pushed up through the water. We call the land earth or dirt. There were no trees, flowers, or grass yet, just the dirt. Then God spoke again and said, "Let the earth bring forth grass and trees and other plants." Suddenly grass grew and covered over the dirt. Tall trees, apple trees, pine trees, oak trees, and other trees stood on hills and in forests. Tulips, roses, daisies, sunflowers, and all the other flowers appeared and bloomed. Strawberries and carrots and corn and other fruits and vegetables grew out of the ground. Every tree, plant, and flower you can think of was created on the 3rd day. And God saw it and said, "Man, this is good stuff." All right, guys, isn't that so cool that God made the dirt and the dry ground, and he also made trees, plants, and flowers on day 3? So awesome. Bye, guys. Love you.